It is stinking hot out today, so I'm going to make this quick. If you've got a RZR 1000 or a RZR Turbo and you want to switch from the older style grill to a 2019 or newer grill, this is how to do it, all the parts you need and everything you need to know. If you have one of these two grills, then congrats, this will work for you. If you have one of these three, give up now, it ain't going to happen. Obviously, the first thing you're going to need is a front fascia. They range from $250 to $500 depending on whether or not you want paint. Don't worry about these 10 screws, you already have them. Next, you'll need a grill. These range anywhere from $80 to $100 depending on what style you want. The winch cover plate is about $35. It has 2 screws. They're $2 each, or you can reuse the screws from the back of your old fascia. These 2 side grills are $18 each. They have 4 screws total at $2 each. Next would be a pair of fangs. They range from $40 to $200, all depends on how fancy you want to go. You'll also need a conversion plate for the hood. I got this one from RazorParts.com for 60 bucks. These side deflectors are optional. If you want to add them, it's about $135 for the pair. There's also a radiator shroud and 2 brackets that should be installed. I'm going to skip that like I did high school English. I don't think it'll hurt me none. But in all seriousness, 9 out of 10 people who do this conversion skip this step. So the total cost is around $500 to $900 depending on if you want color matched paint. But I bought all my parts used and I don't think I spent over $200 for everything. Install is easy. Start by removing the hood and disconnecting the headlights. Remove 10 of the T40 Torx bolts and hold on to them. You're going to reuse these later. After those are out, go ahead and remove the front fascia. If you're not going to use a new radiator shroud, then remove these brackets and hide them so your wife doesn't know that you're skipping steps. You don't want her to find out. Now you'll need to prep your grill and gather your ingredients. These 2 tabs need to be cut off so the new conversion plate can mount flush. Drill the 4 holes and mount the plate to the grill. Install the 2 smaller grills and the fangs. These silver hex nuts are used to hold on the fangs. These smaller Torx screws are used to hold on the side grills. And the larger Torx screws are used to hold on the winch cover plate at the bottom. Next, remove the headlights and reinstall them onto the new fascia. You can now put the bumper back on the car. Since I don't have the radiator shroud like I should, you're only going to reuse 8 of the 10 bolts. Having extra parts is a little disconcerting for your passengers, so it's always a good idea to hide them somewhere safe. The winch cover just snaps in on top and is secured by 2 screws on the bottom. Then I slide the grill into place, connect the headlights, attach the hood. I am done. One last thing, if you bought the Fang lights and need the pigtails so you can power them, there are plenty of wiring harnesses on Amazon that'll work for you. I won't need them because I have a 2019 wiring harness in my RZR, so I have connections built in, but for everyone else who has a wiring harness built before 2019, you'll need to run your own wires. I am very pleased with how it turned out. The only annoying thing is the custom bumper that I made no longer fits. It still works on the top, but it's way too far off on the bottom. I'll have to totally redesign the bottom half of this if I'm ever going to make it work again. Thanks for sticking around. If this video helped you, you can help me by liking and subscribing. If you want to see why I replaced my whole wiring harness, you can click here. I've also got quite a few RZR videos coming soon that you may not want to miss. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I will also include a parts list in the description. Alrighty then, thanks for watching. Bye-bye!